In this video, I will show you how to change your primary user ID on PayPal, your phone number. On PayPal, you can send and receive money using a phone number, so you need to use a current phone number to avoid losing access to your account or to use the number to receive money. If you provide the sender with an outdated or incorrect phone number, then you will not be able to receive money to your PayPal account. If you have changed your phone number and the old number is still in your account, then I recommend changing it. To change your phone number on PayPal, you need to log into your PayPal account. If you have lost access to your phone number or do not remember it, you can enter your email and log into your PayPal account. You can update your information even if you have money in your account. The money will not be frozen, and changing your information will not affect your balance. To change your phone number, you need to open the settings on the main account page. In the phone numbers section, click the change button to change your phone number. After that, select add new to add another phone number to the existing one. Choose your country code and enter your phone number. Click the add phone number button. You will receive a code and a message, which you need to enter on your PayPal account page. Now your account will have two phone numbers. You can delete the old phone number and keep only the new one that is currently active. Changing my phone number did not affect my PayPal account balance. The money is not frozen, and I can use it as before, to shop in stores or send to other PayPal users. To receive money, you can use the email or phone number you provided in your account settings. Therefore, it is very important that your email or phone number is up to date. That's all. If you liked this video, then please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching.